complexity of a generator and switchgear system means that it is almost impossible to avoid maintenance. Servicing should be carried out every 6 months or 400 hours, depending on the purpose and use of the generator. So why do I need to have my generator serviced? It's to ensure that if there are any mains failures or interruptions, the backup generator can reliably provide power and in turn, maintain the essential service it provides to any given facility. Service checks must be carried out to keep up to date with new Tier engine emissions regulations. Generators that are regularly expected to run on light loads should be subject to a more thorough maintenance regime to ensure there isn't any excessive wear or deposit buildup leading to a condition known as wet stacking. What about servicing my natural gas generator? When using a natural gas generator set, it's recommended that light loading should be much more limited than a diesel generator set. Low loading on gas sets can lead to a low combustion pressure, consequently making oil blow-by worse. To avoid this, gas engines require more fuel to be used when running on low loads. This leads to a buildup of carbon and ash deposits. How often do I need to service my generator? Dust, moisture, salinity, altitude, and severe temperatures will influence how often generator servicing should be carried out. With that in mind, be sure to keep it as clean as possible. Generator servicing saves both time and money. It prevents downtime whilst allowing for small issues to be solved before they have chance to become large ones. If you haven't got one already, we recommend investing in a cover or an enclosure, as electricity and water are not a good combination, which can lead to electric shocks or corrosion. To find out more detail on each term, have a read of the full written blog on our website, www.powerelectrics.com/blog.